How to hard reset an Android phone. Now, in order to hard reset your Android phone, you just simply need to open the settings application. And after opening the settings application, scroll down until you see this option of general management. Now, if you don't have Samsung phone, you can use this magnifier icon in order to search for reset. Just simply search for reset and find the reset setting. Now, if you have Samsung, tap to general management and go to this reset option. Tap in here, and after this you will get this reset page. Here are a lot of options. First one is backup your data. You can back up all of your data if you don't want to lose them while doing the hard reset. Now scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get this option of factory data reset. This is the option for hard reset. Tap to factory data reset, and after that this factory data reset page will appear in your screen. Now if you don't see something like this, scroll down to all the way to bottom and then tap to reset button. Then after tapping into the reset button, it will ask for your current confirmation pattern. Just simply draw your pattern and your phone will be reset after the confirmation.